Well, hello there. Welcome to our unbirthday party. For your safety, please be sure to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your teacup. And do watch your children. To spin your teacup, just keep turning the wheel to the right or to the left. The faster you turn it, the faster it spins. Well, it seems our party is about to begin. Have a most wonderful time. Ta-ta!
Ahora comienza el Birthday Party. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la taza. Y por favor, cuide a sus pequeñitos. Gracias.
Remain seated until your teacup stops, and then follow the signs to the nearest exit. Ta-ta! Please visit us again.
And now that your teacup has stopped, please look down, Billy Roll. Watch your step and make your way towards the nearest escape by the Alice in Wonderland attraction. Thank you.
Thank you.